Hello students, we are doing chapter number 3 shares and dividend exercise 3, and in today's video we will start from question number 27. So question we have 100 rupees share of a company are sold out at a discount of rupees 20. If the return on the investment is 15%, find the rate of dividend declared. So here it is given 100 rupees share means the face value of share is 100 rupees. And it is sold out at a discount of 20 rupees means market value is equal to 100 rupees minus 20 rupees means 80 rupees is market value for this share. If the return on the investment return percentage is given 15% and we have to calculate here dividend percentage. So let dividend percentage is equal to X. So first we will find out the dividend. Dividend is equal to X percent of 100 rupees. So it will come X upon 100 into 100 means X rupees for one share. Return percentage, if we calculate with formula, return percentage is equal to dividend by investment into 100% and which is equal to given 15%. So we'll equate with the given value. Dividend we got X rupees, investment we have done 80 rupees for one share into 100% equal to 15%. So 80 and 100 we can shift another side and X value we will get. So X is equal to 15 into 80 by 100. 1 0 you can cancel out, 2 4 ja and 5 ja, 5 3 ja. So X value we are getting here 12. So therefore dividend percentage is equal to 12%. Next question number 28. A company declared a dividend 14%. Find the market value of rupees 50 shares if the return on the investment was 10%. So here dividend percentage is given equal to 14%. Market value we have to find out and face value is given equal to 50 rupees. Next return percentage is given 10%. So we will take let market value of share is equal to X rupees. So we will calculate the dividend percentage. Dividend is equal to 14% of rupees 50. We are calculating for one share 52 and 2 7. So dividend we got here 7 rupees. Return percentage will be dividend by investment into 100% and this is given equal to 10% in question. So we will equate with 10%. Dividend we got 7 rupees and for one share investment we have done X rupees. Market value is the investment for one share into 100% equal to 10. So now X we can shift another side. 700 is equal to 10X. So X value will be 700 by 10 means 70 rupees. So market value for one share we got here 70 rupees. Next question number 29. A company with 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each declares an annual dividend of 5%. First part, what is the total amount of dividend paid by the company? Second, what would be the annual income of a man who has 72 shares in the company? And third, if he receive only 4% of his investment, find the price he paid for each share. So first we have to find out the dividend here. Number of shares are given 10,000, face value is given 100 rupees and dividend percentage is given 5%. So dividend will be number of share into dividend percentage into face value. We'll substitute all the values here. 10,000 multiply by 5% multiply by 100. 100 will cancel out and dividend we will get here 50,000 rupees. For the second part, when the number of shares are 72, a man is having 72 shares, so number of shares are now 72. We have to find out his annual income. Annual income means dividend only. Number of shares into dividend percentage into face value. Again, we'll substitute values here. 72 into 5% into 100. So 100 will cancel out and we will get 360 rupees as annual income. Third part, we have to find the price he paid for each share, means market value. So we'll take let market value he paid for each share is rupees X. So return percentage will be he is getting 5 rupees, 5% dividend, and when he invested X rupees for one share into 100%, and this is equal to 4% because it is given in the question. He is getting 4% on his investment. So 500 equal to 4x, so x value will be equal to 500 by 4, or x is equal to 125 rupees. So market value of each share is equal to 125 rupees. Next, question number 30. A man sold some 100 rupees share paying 10% dividend at a discount of 25% and invested the proceed in 100 rupees share paying 16% dividend, quoted at 80 rupees, and increase his income by 2000 rupees. Find the number of shares sold by him. So here we will take first case when 100 rupees is the face value, dividend is 10%, and the market value of share is, because this is at a discount of 25%, so market value will be 100 minus 25% of 100 means 75 rupees. So first we will take let the number of shares are X. So now the dividend percentage for dividend here will be 10% of number of shares means X into face value means 100. So 10 by 100 into X into 100. 100 will cancel out, so dividend here we will get 10x rupees. And if we sold out these shares, then selling price for X shares will be 75 is the market price and number of shares are X means 75x. Now in the second case, face value is given 100 rupees and dividend percentage is given 16%. Number of shares in this case will be investment upon market price. So investment will be this is the investment, whatever he got from the selling out earlier shares, that is the investment 75x, and market value is given 80 rupees in question. 75x upon 80. After cancellation with 5 table, 15x by 16 we are getting. Now we will find out the dividend in this case. So dividend is equal to number of shares into dividend percentage, means 16%, and the face value. So this we are getting 16 also will cancel out 15x. So in the first case, sorry, this is dividend, not the dividend percentage. In the first case dividend we got 10x, and in the second case dividend we got 15x, and the increase in his income is 2000 rupees, means the difference between first and second dividend is 2000 rupees. So increase in income equal to given 2000 rupees, and this will be equal to 15x minus 10x. So 5x is equal to 2000 rupees. So x will be 2000 upon 5, means 400 rupees. So therefore number of shares he sold out is equal to 400 rupees. Number of shares equal to 400. Next we have question number 31. A man invests 6,750 rupees partially in shares of 6% at 140 rupees and partially in shares of 5% at 125. If his total income is 280 rupees, how much has he invested in each? So we'll take, let his first investment is x rupees. So another investment will be 6,750 minus x rupees. In the first case, dividend percentage is given 6%. In the second one, it is 5%. In first case, market value is 140 rupees, and in the second case, market value is 125 rupees. So in the first case, the number of shares will be investment by market value. Investment is x rupees and market value is 140 rupees. In the second case, number of shares will be investment by market value. Now in the first case, dividend will be number of shares into dividend rate into face value. So number of shares are x upon 140. This is 6% and face value is 100 rupees. So here we are getting, we can cancel with 2 table, 3x upon 70. In the second case, dividend will be number of shares are 6750 minus x upon 125. Rate of dividend is 5% and face value is 100 rupees. Cancel out. So we are getting 6750 minus x upon 25. This is the dividend by the first investment. This is by the second investment. And total income is 280 rupees. So it means if we add these two incomes, it should be equal to 280 rupees. So therefore, according to the question, 3x upon 70 plus 6750 minus x upon 25, this should be equal to 280. Here LCM of 70 and 25 will be 350. So here we'll multiply with the 3x will multiply with 5 to make the denominator same, and here we will multiply with the 14. So 15x upon 350 plus 94500 minus 14x upon 350 equal to 280. So here it will become 15x plus 94500 minus 14x upon 350, which you can shift another side. 15 minus 14 will become 1x, and this you can shift another side. After multiplication we will get 98000. So x value will be 98000 minus 94500. So after subtraction we will get 3500. So first investment will be 3500 rupees. Second investment will be 6750 minus 3500, which we will get 3250 rupees. Next, question number 32. Divide 20,304 into two parts such that if one part is invested in 9%, rupees 50 shares at 8% premium, and other part is invested in 8%, rupees 25 shares at 8% discount, then the annual income from both the shares, both the investments are equal. So here we will take, let first part investment is x rupees and the second part investment is 20,304 minus x. For the first part, face value is given 50 rupees and market value is at the 8% premium. 8% premium means you have to add 8% of 50 in this, which we are getting 54 rupees. For the second part, face value is 25, so market value is 8% at 8% discount. So now we will subtract 8%, at which we are getting 23 rupees. For the first investment, this dividend is 9% and for the second investment dividend is 8%. So in the first investment, number of shares will be investment upon market value. Investment is here x rupees and market value is 54 rupees. So x upon 54 is the number of shares. For the second investment, number of shares will be investment upon market value 23. So in the first case, dividend is number of shares into dividend percentage into face value. Number of shares are x upon 54, dividend percentage is 9%, face value is 50 rupees. Cancel out 9 6, so we are getting here x upon 12 is the dividend received from the first investment. From the second investment, dividend is number of shares into dividend percentage into face value. 25 4 and 4 2 ja, so 2,20304 minus x upon 23. And according to the question, both the dividends are equal, both the incomes are equal. So therefore, according to the question, dividend 1 is equal to dividend 2. So we will equate it, x upon 12 is equal to 2,20304 minus x upon 23. You can cross multiply. 23x is equal to 24 into 20304 minus x. Multiply it. After multiplication, you will get 487296 minus 24x. This 24x you can shift another side, it will go for addition. So it will become 47x is equal to 487296. 47 also you can shift another side. So x value will be 487296 upon 47. After cancellation we will get 10,368. So first investment is 10,368 rupees and second investment will be 20,304 minus 10,368, which is equal to 9,936 rupees. So this chapter has completed. Hope you understood all the questions. Thank you for watching this video and please do like, share and subscribe.